Hello there, you are watching my YouTube channel, Umay's Tech. Dears, here in this video, we will specially see about the categories in which fivesquid is offering its service for online earning. Online earning, it means which services you can give to the fivesquid. For the online earning, we will see it in details. One by one, we will discuss them. But I will request to all of you for subscribing my YouTube channel and pressing the bell icon. So we should start it. Before it, we also have discussed about five squid, and we have seen that it is the one of the most popular UK-based clients hire the freelancers. In 2011, it was launched in Pakistan, and now it has billions of the users. Now, as we are going to describe about categories, if in categories we see that its categories are about digital marketing. First, its category is digital marketing. We will write them in bullets. And in digital marketing, there are different types of the marketing that can be described, especially in a separate channel with different videos. And after it is graphic designing, graphic designing also involved in its categories, and other is writing and translation. Writing and translation, it means by working on writing and translation. In writing, you can be a content writer, in which you can write the articles, thesis. For example, I suppose articles, it involves articles, thesis, and after it plays and different scripts, etc. can be the content writing. And after it is video and animation. Video and animation are also involved in this category. By working on the video and animation, you can also earn a lot from this by using the platform of the five squid. Video and animation, if we see, and other categories, music and audio are also in this category. And the next step we see is programming. Programming also is involved in its categories. By working on these categories on the squid, you can also earn a lot. After programming, there is tech category, business, business and advertising also involved in these, and IT and sport. IT and sports are also involved in this categories. So there are the following categories of the five squid that can be the source of online earning. So you must learn any of these skills and work on this platform of five squid. So this was all about it.